Hey guys, welcome to our series Ask an Expert. Today I'm with our VP of Marketing, Philippe, and we're going to talk a little bit about the marketing department, and Philippe going to share his experience around the marketing department. And with that, I would like to ask directly our first question to you, Philippe. What does a day look like in the marketing department, and especially for a leader in the marketing department?
Thank you, Musti, for having me here. So to answer your question, as a marketer, I'm looking at mainly two things. One is performance, right? How our product performing and how marketing is performing. And second is perception, right? How we're perceived on digital media, on the web, on social media. And is this perception really aligned with what we can provide to the market? And based on that, engaging into discussions, making sure that people understand what we can bring to the market and have a very straightforward messaging through the social media, through the web.
Perfect. So you mentioned also social media, which leads to my second question. Philippe, what would you suggest any young professional or graduate use for their own personal branding, social media and social media platforms such as LinkedIn, for example?
So that's a great question. When I look at people, mainly the people that we hire for the digital marketing team we have here and around the world, is around people able to market themselves on the web. They should consider what they do for a company exactly the same way to do it for themselves, meaning describing themselves with the right words, with the right attributes, make sure that the content they share is consistent and aligned with those keywords. Because when we look for talent, and we look for quite some, we're looking at those keywords, we're looking at those attributes, and then based on that brings us to a few profiles that if we read the content aligned with what we're searching for, then we engage. And at some point, when we're convinced, then we hire those talents and they become part of the PTC family.
Perfect. So basically, you suggest that they already start using these social platforms to market themselves, which you will look at, definitely. And what other attributes you think someone should bring in the marketing department, or should they expect from the marketing department to be really successful?
In order to be successful, so again, you need to be aware about how digital marketing works those days, right? It has been a big change over the last 5 to 7 years. So making sure that people understand how digital experience is working, how the digital people are expecting from digital marketing, the web, etc. But also beyond the functionality and the technical terms, if you wish. What is important is to see the creativity of people, the energy, the passion. All those kind of attributes are very important to us as well. And of course, people want to have fun in a very fast-growing company like PTC.
Perfect. So again, here's some buzzwords with our program, Brain and Passion. And I think if you have the brain and passion and you're interested in marketing, I think it's a very good start to explore in the real life. And I think our marketing department is the right place for you then to start your career. Having said that, thank you very much for Philippe for sharing your insights. And thank you very much for listening, guys. Until next.